Here's a quick look at the Lululun Daily Face Mask. This is one of the simpler and more affordable masks in their lineup. Prices change, but I think it was indeed the cheapest at the time of my purchase. But I do live in Japan, and pricing is different here. This one's for everyone, every day, every time. Like all Lululun small packs currently on the market, it comes in a resealable pack with 7 sheets inside. In this case, 1 week's worth for your daily skincare, although every other day or less is probably effective too. It's the perfect amount to try something gentle out for a week straight. The sheet itself is soft and fairly thin, and it's well saturated with essence, but not so much that the liquid spills all over the place. You can get away with not using a sink under you for this, I think. Ingredients in this particular version include goodies such as glycerin and plant extracts, commonly used in everyday skincare products in Japan. Great for everyday hydration and moisturizer for most skin types, but I think it's particularly great for dry skin. We have cacao X, we have seaweed extract, and we have cranberry peptides, and some sort of ion or eon stuff here. To save money and be more eco-conscious, try the brand's bulk packaging once you figure out which mask is your favorite. I usually leave a mask like this on for about 5 to 10 minutes, which is the typical timing for Lululun masks. I don't like the fit of this brand's masks on my face, if I'm honest, but they get the job done. Overall, this feels like a straightforward daily sheet mask and is most suitable for people who want something simple that they can use every day. This is one to check out.